It's 2025 and if you're still contouring your nose like this, then you should stop. Let me show you the viral Douyin contour hack that actually lifts, slim and transform your face in seconds. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome to my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. We are doing a small nose contour. First, I go in with my contour shade. Then I draw a 2 straight line down the side of my nose from the inner brows, bringing them together. Then I add a small horizontal line across the tip and a curved shadow. This is what gives you the illusion of shorter lifted nose. Once everything is blended, you can either use pressed powder or even a matte white eyeshadow. I run a thin line in the inner corners, down the center of my nose bridge, and a tiny dot right on the tip of my nose. And don't forget to highlight these two spots because it makes a huge difference to make your nose look smaller. This is the final look. It makes my nose look short, lifted, and adds some dimension. So next is raised nose bridge contour. I start by drawing 2 straight parallel lines from the inner brows down along the sides of the nose. Then add a 2 small horizontal line on the sides of the nose tip. This helps create the structures and make the bridge look higher. Once everything is blended, I use a matte white eyeshadow as a highlight. I draw a upside down perpendicular line. This contrast makes the nose bridge look sharper and taller instantly. With the doll nose contour, I start by creating a C shape near the inner corners of my eyes. Then I add a small horizontal line across the tip and a small circle right on the nose tip. This is what gives the illusion of a shorter, lifted, button-like nose. Once everything is blended, I use matte white eyeshadow as a highlight. Then I add a tiny dot right on the tip of my nose and I run a thin line down the center of my nose bridge and in the inner corners. If you are still doing 2 straight lines down your nose, you are missing out. That method only slims but makes your nose look flat. The Douyin contour, on the other hand, it lifts, shortens, and adds the dimension while giving you that natural 3D effect. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!